Kajing Kimilanti baka Jingwan ukloria lekai football Lionel Messi ha Kolkata kan day ka job penban kalapoi siga jing syara Tohkit usata dru data ubah khmat jong ka kenhun ban Pynïaid ya ka Jingwan Messi sya kaning dong ba jong ka jela West Bengal ha ka khat lai trek uno pra arja arpusan halor ka nong rim badai ka jing phil jong ka balaya lam sya ka jing Huri-hura ha Salt Lake Stadium. Kajing bamyo yo Messi ha ketika stadium namar kajing ker tawiar daki riu san hima bat kiwei pat yau tiu kloria lekai football kalapen bitar ya kipat ba kibala tiet tiket ha padeng kador 1,000 stan spa tingka bat haduk kharar hajar tingka. Kipat ba kila bitar bat kumta kila kawang bilor bat panang suki Shamadan na kijaka jungokai bat kumta kibor Pynïaid kila yalam no yo Messi na ketika stadium tang hadin kat tu kat ni minit. Rajiv Kumar, Director General of Police ko Jela West Bengal ulang balara Tohkit ya data namar ka jing bitar kipat ba ya ka jing bamla Pynïaid kam jong da ka beken tu ya kipat ba banlong gi bajai ulang ba andang ya kran ba ya ki bai tiket an sahap penpai syaki balatiet ban wan jongo ya Messi. Messi na kani ka jaka lem Luis Suarez baru Rodrigo de Paul kin letpat sa Hyderabad Mumbai bat Delhi ka balong shipenta ka greatest of all time India tour arhajar arpusan.
In the morning at Salt Lake Stadium there was some kind of anger or anxiety in the fans saying that he is not playing. The plan was that he will come here, wave and meet certain people and leave. Now the government has already constituted a committee which will look into all the aspects of if there was a mismanagement from the organizer side or anything else. This will be looked into. Second, to the fans, we have already told the organizer, we will persuade him. He is giving in writing to the whomsoever concerned that the tickets which have been sold, they should be refunded because there was not much of this thing was done. Now the situation is right now under control, and I will urge all the fans. Kolkata is an emotional place. A lot of fans must have felt that they would be able to see Messi playing. They couldn't see that. The program was a little too short and this thing. So we would right now what we expect is that the organizers will come through as far as that return of ticket is concerned. They're giving in writing, but we'll make sure that they return, otherwise legal action will be taken. The mismanagement we have seen from the organizer side, their team, security team, their press team running around. This is, we will take action, and we have already detained the organizer. So this is it. Right now, all of us should calm the tempers. Sorry, as I'm saying, please. I am not taking questions. The other details, please listen to it. We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished. And we will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.